Discover how to effortlessly generate scannable barcodes directly within Microsoft Excel, simplifying your inventory and data tracking processes. Begin by ensuring your Excel sheet contains a dedicated column for the information you wish to encode. This could be product IDs, serial numbers, or any textual data. For compatibility with most barcode fonts, it's crucial to append start and stop characters. A widespread convention is to use an asterisk at both the beginning and the end of your data. To efficiently implement this, position your cursor in the cell adjacent to your data. In the formula bar, type an equals sign equals, followed by an asterisk enclosed in quotation marks asterisk, then an ampersand and. Next, click on the cell containing your data, add another ampersand and conclude with another asterisk in quotation marks asterisk. Press Enter to apply the formula. You can then utilize the fill handle to propagate this formula across all your data points, effectively adding the necessary start and stop characters. The next step involves installing a suitable barcode font. Numerous free and paid barcode fonts are available online. Identify a reputable source, download the font file, which is typically in TTF or OTF format. Once the download is complete, locate the font file on your system, right-click on it, and select Install. After the font has been successfully installed, it's advisable to close and then reopen your Excel workbook to ensure the system recognizes the new font. Select the column containing your data, ensuring the start and stop characters have been added. Navigate to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. Within the font group, click the Font drop-down menu and choose the barcode font you have just installed. Your data is now instantaneously converted into scannable barcodes. These can be printed directly or saved in PDF format. Utilize any standard barcode scanner to read these generated barcodes, significantly enhancing your inventory control, asset management, and other data entry requirements. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more impactful Excel tips designed to elevate your productivity.